So we're here in Arica, the last stop before we head up into the mountains tomorrow and start the attempt to run the length of the Atacama Desert. And I have sort of mixed feelings about it right now because Kevin, of course, was supposed to be here with me, and then we were going to be running together. We ran together in Lake Baikal in Siberia. Went to the South Pole together. We, have done youth expedition together. And he's, an important part of the Impossible to Possible team. But as it would happen, unfortunately, his dad has fallen ill, so he's not here. We decided it was very last minute to continue the expedition. We have schools that we've committed to, and of course, people here in Chile, our logistics team, that we didn't want to let down by not coming. So we're here and we're going to give it a go. Bob is here with me, obviously, and so he's going to be helping us to communicate the expedition with the technology. He's organizing water drops. He's actually going to be at the water drops. That's where he'll be camping because he'll get there a long time before me. And he's even volunteered to come and run a couple of the stages with me. More than likely the first stage, which will be approximately 60 to 70 kilometers, will only gain 50 at very high elevation. But on the road tomorrow, I'll tell you more about that. It'll be exciting. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy this Impossible to Possible project. There's Bobby. There's Chris. There's the Garmin guy. Right now what we're doing is we are getting our GPS set up for the run, and hopefully that'll help us to find our way. Chris is our desert expert for the Atacama. Say hi to everybody, Chris.
How are you? Hi, everybody.
He's like the Chilean version of Sean Connery. Here, do you want to sit here? Okay, so what we're trying to do is sort out our start point, believe it or not, on the maps. And so we've got our experts here, Javier and Williams. And what we're trying to do here, if you look down on the map, you can see that the Atacama Desert, what we're doing is we're running in Chile in the Atacama Desert. We're trying to define a point past this line of Arica, where the Atacama Desert essentially, more or less in this area in Chile, starts. And so we're going to be moving south. So we want to go north of that. And originally we were going to be leaving from this lake at anywhere between 5,000 and 4,000 and 5,000 meters, and running 50 kilometers cross country to the end of our first day, somewhere between 50 and 60K. But there's several mountain passes which are going to be very difficult to negotiate and get around. So we're not sure if that's an option. So what we've done is we've taken a point further north, and we're looking at that option as well. So we're trying to make decisions on the best place to start, and then be in the mountains and come down into the desert, and then know that we're as far beyond the desert as we possibly can. So we're starting, as far before the desert starts as we can. So getting started is always the hardest part.